for regular maintenance on the DLF series systems, you're just going to want to look for any adhesive buildup that might occur on the nip rollers, which are these two rubber rollers here, and then any fixed points where the media will ride on the system. I recommend inspecting these rollers weekly on the DLF system. Also check your pinch roller wheels here as well for adhesive buildup. And then any of the collar points on the system or any of the rollers. For the blade here, the blade can be changed by unscrewing. On the CE7000 system here, we just want to make sure that the blade's lip is over the bracket here. The blade can be removed, and if you're not using adhesive on the system, it can build up with dust, so making sure that there's no dust buildup in your blade. The blades can be changed out on the blue side here, and then that can just be reinstalled. And then you also have your cut mat here, which is going to be the piece of plastic that is the entire width of the plotter. This plastic can also be cut down to size to be the same width as your media. This is the cut mat. If there's any damage on the cut mat, it is recommended to be replaced. If you do have damage on your cut mat, more than likely your blade's also damaged, so it's also recommended to replace that as well. Other spots here at the end of the machine, you're going to have adhesive buildup that are going to be on both sides here. And then you also have your slitter blades. The slitter blades can be changed by unscrewing this rod, and then it goes inward towards the machine, and then these can be pulled out. Each blade has 4 sides to them, so as the blades get dulled, you can rotate the blade. Thank you. Have a great day.